morning. I am leaving the Oasis campground and gonna take you on a little tour. The flies here are just terrible. So, as you can see, they've got lots and lots of RV spots. Last night there was some activity. An ambulance came ripping through here. I don't know where they went. It looks like they're building some tiny homes. I don't know if you can see. Oops, sorry. Tiny homes. I don't think I can go that way. Tiny home cabins, maybe. So that's kind of nice. Sorry about all the shaking. I'm trying to drive on this bumpy road and video for you. I think that's the old, no, or the business route, I think. I don't know. These business loops and keeps me confused. Anywho, try and turn this so you can see. That's the group I stayed next to last night. Tried to get them to let me take their dog, they wouldn't do it. Okay, so we made a great big loop. Here's the office. They sell ice. I thought there was a propane up here too. I'm not quite sure how to get out of here. Let's see. Oh great, somebody's truck's in the way. Why on earth would somebody park there? Okay. So we've got a little picnic area down here. We've got barbecues and tables. Doesn't look like much parking. And then back here's where I was telling you earlier that they have places for big rigs to pull through. Someone's even got their pontoon boat. Over here is the restrooms in this big building, and the women's restroom goes from this end clear to the other end with showers in the back. Yeah, it's pretty big. And then they had a, sorry, I'm whipping you around so fast. They have a play area for kids, which consists of a swing set, slide. What else is over there? That's it. Pretty nice. Considerate of them to think of put those things in. Yeah, pretty big place. Look at this guy's got a truck, a tent, a boat, and his RV all in one RV spot. Well, that was the grand tour. I am on my way to the TrailManor factory, and from what I understand, it's about 85 miles. Zoom. It's about 80 to 85 miles from, I don't know how to get out of here. Seems to me I came in from over there. That part of, yeah, I can. Okay. Anyway, it's about 80 to 85 miles from where I'm at now, so we shall see. All right, we're out of here. Pretty nice highways. I was thinking maybe I would be able to show you that bridge again. But I don't know if I'll pass it or not. I went over there last time on a different road. There it is, way over there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm afraid I'll crash if I don't watch the road. Anyway, huge river. Very, very pretty. Okay, I'm on my way to Artesia, North Carolina, to the TrailManor factory, and I'll be back. Bye.